Quinta do Noval, we have 145 hectares, okay? Behind me you can see a lot of the plots that we have and that we use for pork production. Around the main house where we are, we have 100 hectares. 8 kilometers away for that side, where you see that tiny village there, Casal de Loivos village, behind that we have another 35 hectares of vineyards facing the Douro River, because the Douro River is there on the back, okay? Came from Spain and goes to Porto. There's another tiny river passing on this part of the valley that maybe when you were walking you saw. A tiny part of the river. This is the Pinhão River, the same name as the Pinhão village that we have down there. So basically we have the influence of two different rivers in our vineyards. 100 hectares here, 35 8 kilometers away, and another 10 hectares 2 kilometers away for that side. So we have different places basically. One of the reasons, as you can imagine, is the hail, because when we have hail, if one of the places will be damaged, we have always two other options, for this kind of cases. Here the altitude changes a lot. On the bottom of the valley we have 50 meters, okay, of altitude, so it gets really hot during summertime on the bottom of the valley. Going up we will achieve 500 meters. This is not really the top, we cannot see from here, but continues a little further. And at 5 meters of altitude we always plant our white grape varieties. We only have 3 planted in the property, all Portuguese: Vinhozinho, Gouveio and Rabigato. We use for the dry wine white production, and also for the white ports, okay? But we also buy a little bit of muscat, the muscatel as we call in Portuguese, 10 minutes away from here in Favaios. Is a region that they plant a lot of muscatel because they make a muscatel wine typical from the region, and we buy some there to give a floral nose for to our extra dry white port, for instance.